I just thought being a bride means I just have to look pretty.
That you do.
For all the functions.
The next time when we come here,
it's gonna be our wedding. And we're gonna get married here.
Mom is so happy. Look at her smile. Oh my god.
You can't get best of both worlds. Be practical. You are a planner. Don't turn into a groom.
Hi, so हमारा सब check-in वगैरह हो गया है and whenever you come with the dog you have to come almost 2 hours early so that everything goes smoothly and Mumbai airport is very easy because हमने इसके पहले Bangalore trip करी हुई है so I knew what I'm supposed to do. बस अभी वेट कर रहे हैं फ्लाइट बोर्ड करने का and then we'll be good to go. Alright, so the agenda for this trip was to travel with Evie so she gets used to traveling by plane and also to see at least 3 to 4 properties. Honestly, Evie traveled so well, like she was such a good girl. She didn't make a noise and everything went smoothly with her. I wanted her to come with me at all the properties because I wanted to see how the staff or the hotel treats her, like when there is a pet on the property. The first stop was this resort called as Tatsa Rasa in Udaipur. I really loved the first look of it. More about it and what we felt about this property in the next bit.
She's jumping. Evie, let's go. Let's go. So we are at Tatsa Rasa Resort and it's like a boutique resort.
Yeah.
It's a very huge property, so we thought we'll come here also.
View is
rooms. Yeah, the view is amazing.
Amazing.
It has 92 rooms. It has one lawn जो पीछे है.
Yeah.
And banquet हमने देखा नहीं है.
But if you see, the look is very modern, which I like. But Udaipur में आके we don't want to do.
That feel is not there of
yeah,
Udaipur,
that palace वाली शादी.
Second, it's only one lawn. Because of this one lawn, it's gonna be an issue.
Yeah.
कि कैसे functions करे, क्या timeline पे करे and all of that.
If I'm gonna do a wedding in Udaipur, it needs to have that authenticity of Rajasthan, which we are not getting in this resort. Of course, it's a good, like very nice holiday home and like very chill place, but for a wedding I think we are carrying this.
Yeah, for wedding to
yeah. Alright, the hunt was still on. We woke up the next day and started our journey. The first stop was to go to Chittorgarh, which was like a 1.5 hour drive from the main Udaipur city. And we arrived at this place called Kesarbagh Palace. And the moment I entered the gate, oh my god, the work was still going on. As you guys can see, the workers were still doing their job. It was not a ready property. But the moment I saw the main foyer, which you guys are gonna see in a bit, I knew that I want to get married over here. Look at this beautiful property, you guys. Now, honestly, हम लोग बहुत अजीब कश्मकश में पड़ गए थे because we loved the property, but it was not ready. None of the rooms were ready. Banquets ready नहीं था. पूरा खंडर था basically. The main facade was just ready, like all the झरोखाs and everything was ready. But जो अंदर का काम है, वो बहुत pending था. Hi guys, the lighting sucks. बहुत blue tint और अजीब सा lighting है. But anyways, the first property was yesterday, which we showed you. Today we saw this property, which honestly is probably the one. We are thinking, yeah. But there's one more that we have liked, which is
2 hours from here now. We have started the journey.
Yeah.
So we
ate
on.
well
yeah.
and
Evie ate well. Evie was already
yeah, luckily
gone.
the restaurant people allowed Evie also. बहुत sweet लोग थे तो उन्होंने Evie के लिए भी boiled chicken करके दिया. So she also ate. She's sleeping right now. So अभी 2 घंटा हम भी सो जाएंगे because खाना अच्छे से खा लिया. And then we'll show you the third option.
And mostly then we might go for a 4th option also tomorrow अगर time बचता है.
Yes, we'll go for the 4th option as well. But we have to like shortlist something today. Otherwise our parents are gonna kill us.
Right.
But yeah, that's the update. See you guys after 2 hours. Alright, we slept for good 2 hours and then reached the third property, which was the Castle Mewar in Udaipur. Now, apparently, this was the location for this year's Splitsvilla season. It's what the manager told us. And I honestly loved the property. I was thinking कि मेरी यहाँ पे bridal entry हो सकती है. एक side पे mountains है, एक side पे beautiful palace है. The lawns were massive, swimming pool था. सब कुछ बराबर जा रहा था. I honestly was considering to get married over here. But the moment I saw the rooms, my mind changed. I'm not gonna show the rooms to you guys because probably the rooms were bad quality because how the cast and crew must have handled the room, because ये property sold out थी for almost 2 months जब shoot चल रहा था वहाँ पे. So I'm giving that the point, I mean the benefit of the doubt, but still I did not want to take any chance and I didn't want my guests to feel uncomfortable. So that is why this property got a few minus marks. But yeah, moving on to the next property, which was called Ruby Stone, which was also again in Udaipur. Now, these people, when we inquired, told us that pets are allowed. But when they saw Evie, they kind of did not let me enter certain areas. And they were like, thoda chup chup ke jana padega. So that was a turn off in the first go itself. Property is beautiful, no doubt. But I think there was one more problem, is that this property is literally highway ko touch karke, as you guys can see. So there was no privacy. I could hear all the trucks and buses right in the lawn. So that was also something that I feel was not right for a destination wedding. So again, this was definitely not our pick.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Chaos. Chaos max. Chaos max. Chaos max.
एक बार चेक करें ना लोगों. 3 जन यहाँ ना. कॉल कर से.
बात कर से यहाँ. This is the vlog that it's gonna go for the location reveal. तो ये future का vlog.
Tomorrow we are supposed to, we were बोलने वाला था, but tomorrow we are supposed to visit our venue with the parents, both the sets of parents. And currently we are at Dehradun airport.
We were supposed to fly at 6:10. Right now it's 7:10. And हमारी flight जो land होने वाली थी वो चली गई है अभी Delhi. तो वो कब आएगी वापस हमको मालूम नहीं है. So it's a good chance. And by the way, यहाँ पे सिर्फ Costa Coffee है ये airport पे, Dehradun airport.
It's very strange. Like,
and the food is over.
Yeah, food is over, coffee is over because multiple flights delay हुए.
Yeah,
हमारी सिर्फ redirect हुई है, बाकी लोग की delay ही दिखा रही है अब तक. But हमारी redirect हो गई है. So our people who are supposed to land at Dehradun, they've gone to Delhi. Now वहाँ पे Delhi land करके they'll wait for यहाँ का heads up, then यहाँ पे देहरादून आएंगे and then हम वो flight पे बैठ के हम बॉम्बे जाएंगे. So that's the plan.
So I don't think we can reach home. We'll be staying at the airport only. So airport to airport निकलेंगे. Our parents will join us at the airport.
We are landing at the same terminal. तो T1 पे ही है. तो हम T1 पे land होंगे and T1 से within a couple of hours flight पकड़ लेंगे. Cool.
सारे बोर्डिंग पासेस कलेक्ट करके हम जा रहे हैं खाना लेने. You got in the food for you.
ये क्रॉसवर्ड है मृदुल.
Crossword.
मृदुल के शादी का क्रॉसवर्ड है इस पे गाइस. फिर ये बैग खुलेगा.
Honestly, after Maddie's wedding, I was so exhausted, and also because of this airline fiasco, I was not in the mood. The weather was horrible in Dehradun, but we safely landed in Mumbai. We are checking in our luggage once again. Ranjit has also come from, I think, Chennai.
Hello.
Hi guys, it is 2 AM in the morning. How's the Josh? भी हम लोग ने कुछ खाया नहीं है. Hopefully we'll get the lounge access in some time. Look at my face, it's like so swollen. Before my periods, my face, my pate, everything is just so swollen. Anyways, bloated. But yeah, our parents would reach by 4:30 in the morning.
4:35.
Yeah. Tab tak we can access I can't speak.
Hey guys, it's 4:30 AM and हम lounge के कोने में सो रहे हैं. Now अभी just I think the parents are gonna reach in the next 15-20 minutes. फिर हम लोग सब बाहर जाएंगे और मिलेंगे उनको. And यहाँ पे I'll just show you how these two are sleeping. ये हालत है, थोड़ी भी सीवी नींद नहीं मिली है.
Both our parents and Nikita joined us, and then we boarded the flight, and then we landed in Udaipur, went to Chittorgarh and checked into our property. ये time पे थोड़े rooms ready थे, so we could actually see how the rooms are, what is the service there, and the painting was still on. So basically everything in this palace is hand painted, as you guys can see. एक ही महीना हुआ था, हम मार्च में गए थे और अप्रैल में वापस आ गए थे, so काम चल रहा था. Mom is so happy. Look at her smile. Oh my god. Hi guys, we are figuring out the entry because I genuinely want to do it in this backdrop, but the problem is कि बीच में fountain है, as you guys can see. So this is where Sahil will be standing. Hopefully Nikita's here.
But इसकी walk bridal entry तो कोई देख ही नहीं पाएगा. That is it.
Yes, okay. Another question I'll ask you is, do you want to do the Varmala only for the crowd to witness one, or do you want like a best shot? Both. You can't get best of both worlds. Be practical. You are a planner. Don't turn into a groom.
दोनों साइड कंक्रीट पे, घास पे नहीं है वो लोग.
I can guarantee there will be 2 kids will be running inside.
Sir, quick question. Are you a groom or a bride?
Are you a groom or a bride?
Yeah. Your tantrums are like a bride.
Which tantrums?
So many.
Which ones?
Next question. Are you a groom or a planner?
Planner groom.
Nikita, quick question. Are you a planner or a best friend?
All in one.
The bride will walk out. You know who said?
हमने तो अंदर करने वाले थे.
नहीं, ये जो आप ज्यादा हाइट देंगे ना तो आपका ये लुक ब्लॉक हो जाएगा. ये नीचे का भी लुक
Baba is not interested at all in this. He's like, काय चाललंय मला कळत नाहीये.
Okay, so this side is perfect.
The next day.
This side. ठीक है. आज मंडे भी है.
शुभ मुहूर्त.
सुबह मुहूर्त.
Done. Token given, guys.
हाय भैया.
6 months later.
All right, cut to 6 months later in October, we flew with the team. So Harsha and Jimit were handling our wedding, and of course Sahil तो देख ही रहा था wedding, उसका चल ही रहा था काम. But they were the project managers, and Nikita is a decor junkie, so I wanted her for the decor meets. Agenda for this trip was to lock all the vendors. You guys will know what I'm talking about exactly, and of course do the food tasting as well. We were staying in this Airbnb in Udaipur, not sponsored by the way. क्यों रहा यहाँ पे, क्या किया exactly, वो सब आपको अभी दिख जाएगा. So let's go.
Hi bride, what are you doing?
We are doing makeup and
Hair
and sari trials. आज एक vendor has come, so मेरे पे सारी trial हो रही है, हर्षा पे makeup trial हो रही है, फिर hair भी शायद मेरे पे करेंगे. Makeup trial is happening on Harsha.
I'm being the guinea
She's
pig.
my guinea pig.
I'm the guinea pig.
So makeup trial and hair trial.
Plus the guinea pig.
Guys, मेरे पे scars problems, so no makeup strictly.
दिमाग को भेजा है.
03032.
Bad.
ये भी which style are you wearing?
Normal जो होता है
जो
वो
बनाते
Indian
हैं
और
Okay.
Then Gujarat.
Okay, one is normal and one is Gujarati
Yeah.
style.
because तेरे side से majority गुज्जू
Yeah.
ही पहनेंगे ना. Hi guys, I finally got time to talk to you guys because सुबह से तो मैं बात ही नहीं कर रही. But finally मेरा hair trial, ये सब trials हो गए हैं. So basically the purpose of this trip is the last recce, and we are gonna close the decor, all the vendors. जैसे अभी बाहर कौन आया था साहिल बताएगा.
Logistics, the car vendor.
हाँ, सो बेसिकली जो भी फ्लाइट से उतरेंगे, कोई कोई ट्रेन से आएंगे, कोई कोई मतलब 1 तारीख को आएंगे, कोई कोई दूसरी तारीख को आएंगे, तो उनको सबको पिकअप करके ड्रॉप करना. सेम व्हेन दे गो बैक, तो वो ड्रॉप, ऑल ऑफ दैट दे वर फिगरिंग आउट. उसमें मुझे कुछ समझता नहीं है. देन वी हैव मेट वन डेकोरेटर in the afternoon, जो मैंने vlog नहीं किया, and we are gonna meet 2 decorators tomorrow जो प्रॉपर्टी पे होगा. By the way, you guys must be thinking तुम लोग यहाँ ये सुंदर इसमें क्यों रह रहे हो. Is because क्यों रह रहे हैं?
Airbnb, because ki ek makeup artist was not able to come
The
to
one,
Chittorgarh.
the one which came right now, she said she's not able to come to Chittorgarh. She's
For a
ready to
trial.
come
Yeah.
in the Udaipur city only. So we were like, okay, तो हम एक दिन के लिए यहाँ रुक रहे हैं. And कल सुबह हम निकल के, कल सुबह भी एक मेकअप ट्रायल है.
Yes.
वो करके हम मेन वेडिंग वेन्यू पे जाएंगे. मजा आएगा.
हो गया, निकाल दिया.
निकाल दिया ना. But why did she not curl this? Yeah, look at this. This is curled and this. अभी मैं क्या करूँ कल? How funny I'm looking. What is this?
Straightener ले ले.
I don't have it. मेरे बाल देख. She's curled half of it and then she's not curled.
बट उससे उसने वो बनाया था ना.
Yeah, but still अभी मैं क्या करूँ? 2 दिन मेरे को लोग हंसेंगे भाई. I don't have my straightener or anything.
What is happening? Round 2.
मुझे कोई खाना दे दो यार. सुबह से
देता हूँ.
भूखा रखा है मेरे को.
देता हूँ. मैंने AC क्यों बंद रखा है?
चालू था, मैंने बंद नहीं किया.
देखो इन्हें.
हाँ. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello guys.
Welcome to Curious channel.
चला जेवायला.
Coming. But why are we not doing purple flowers, guys?
The purple flowers नहीं है, orchids.
We could do purple flowers for my haldi, and nobody is giving me.
फिर ऐसा फ्लावर आएगा.
Nobody is giving me a go, a green signal for
मेरे
purple
को जापान
flowers.
से लाना पड़ेगा lavender flowers.
इधर भी मिलता है यार सूखा lavender.
से चाय बनाते हैं.
चाहिए हल्दी वाले दिन.
से चाय बनता है.
ऐसे
मेरे घर वाले तो पक्का नहीं वो उर्ली से मेरे को फेंक के भेजेंगे घर पे तू जा. बट ठीक है, बट ऑरेंज फ्लावर्स नहीं यार.
White and baby pink.
White and baby pink.
Rose petals.
Makes sense.
The next day.
Hey guys, good morning. We just got up and it's a beautiful day outside. I think we're planning to leave in say 1 hour, and the makeup artists have come, and Mansika abhi second her hair trial chal raha hai, and Harsha just finished with her makeup trial. So I'll just show you outside कि कैसे चल रहा है.
3 hours later.
So we're here finally, and bride is already on the field. वो जा रही है छाता लेके to see कि कहाँ पे शादी होने वाली है.
We should make that नी वो वाला release.
करते हैं ना?
ना वो वाला.
Can do.
Why does this look smaller?
Finished product है ना इसलिए.
I am shook at how this place looks. It's okay, we can change the ambient lighting, but when we came, this was literally like crazy. और ये सेंटर वाला बंद कर दीजिए और साइड वाला सारा ऑन कर दीजिए. From the chandeliers, if you allow, and keep this shut. We're going to check out the haldi location, which looks like this. यहाँ पे हो सकता है सेटअप.
आराम से हो सकता है. And it's good. मतलब अगर वो बड़ा लॉन को छोटा करते ना तो मज़ा नहीं आएगा. ये अच्छा खासा
आई फील बट यहाँ पे ईस्ट वेस्ट देख के ही करते हैं सब कुछ. कहाँ पे ट्रस्ट कैसा क्या है. आई थिंक आई शुड हैव गॉटन माय डायरी.
ठीक है ना. क्या हुआ, क्या गॉसिप क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
हम गॉसिप को मारते रहते हैं. मार रहे हैं
हम दोनों बहुत क्लमज़ी हैं, हम एक
मारो.
दूसरे को मारते रहते हैं.
Wait me now.
Harsha only.
So we are in the Sangeet venue now, and I wanted to do one thing, which was the Starry Night, which was just like extremely dense fairy lights on top. But because there is a big chandelier that they have put now over here, if you can see, it's not happening. This is what happens. So you need to have backup plans whenever you are doing the decor. We are coming up with a backup option. क्या बोल रही थी? बाप रे साहिल तो डाकू लग रहा है. हर्षा क्या बोल रही थी तू?
I was saying we're gonna name one lawn for Evie specifically. It's gonna be in our itinerary. Paschim lawn dedicated only for Evie. You can find her there.
So yeah, but इसमें कुछ नहीं हो सकता technically क्योंकि सारे झाड़ है बीच बीच में. So this lawn is also out of the question.
क्रिकेट खेल सकते.
क्रिकेट, इसको बस क्रिकेट खेलनी है, उसको बस क्रिकेट खेलनी है. We could keep carom. We could keep carom because your dad also plays, my kaka plays, my dad also plays. We could do it on Sakarpura time. Yeah, we could do it on the Sakarpura day because तब लड़कियों की तो मेहंदी लग रही होगी. अंकल लोग क्या करेंगे? कैरम खेलेंगे. So we were staying for 3 days, I think, or 2 days, I don't remember exactly, but we had chalked out कि हमें क्या क्या खाना है. So the chef was preparing those items accordingly and we were giving our tippany. So everybody was just like all hands on deck and they were telling their opinions. After that, Sahil sat with Jimit and Harsha and he was telling them the entire layout because the team was seeing the property for the first time. So उन्होंने properly सब देख लिया, कहाँ पे कौन से rooms है, suites कहाँ पे है and all of that. तो वो सब चल रहा है ये लोग का. And then we were also doing like rough rooming. हमने exactly नहीं किया यहाँ पे, but we were just figuring out कि कहाँ पे कैसे कौन रह सकता है.
ब्लॉक की बोल रहे हो? हाँ, इसी में ना साकरपुरा. अच्छा अच्छा. ये आप दो डालना ऐसे डालना. हाँ चलेगा, ये छोड़ के करेंगे ना.
आई थिंक ये वाला मुझे लग रहा है बेटर. इसको लग रहा है पीछे वाला. साहिल तुझे क्या लग रहा है?
ये फाउंटेन पे में खड़े रहते ना जाके.
भाई मैंने तो इतना खाना लाइफ में नहीं खाया है. एंड लाइक यू ईट एंड यू गिव सजेशन, जैसा मुझे मालूम नहीं था. तो हम ऐसा प्रॉपर एक एक डिश सजेशंस दे रहे हैं, इसको ये करो, उसको वो करो. और मेरा खाना इधर तक आ रहा है, इसलिए मैं वॉक कर रही हूँ अभी सो दैट थोड़ा डाइजेस्ट हो. शेफ के साथ सब बैठे हैं. साहिल को देखो, ही इज लॉस्ट इट. It is past 12 रात के and we are still sitting on the food menu because it's important.
तो मैं अरेंज कर देता.
हम कल 12 साढ़े 12 को निकल गए.
आपको मंचूरियन ड्राई. हाँ. तो मेन कोर्स में अपने साथ
कोई फंक्शन में नहीं है तो इधर ही लगा देना.
और ये भी क्रिस्पी चिल्ली मशरूम
वो चलेगा.
ठीक है.
नहीं कैंसिल कर.
मानसी के दिमाग में सिर्फ और सिर्फ खाना घूमेगा आज.
वो टेस्ट
समझा नहीं हो. अगर ये करना है अपन जालफ्रेजी और उंजियो को स्वैप कर सके. 13 लंच को सब लोग नहीं है. इफ यू वांट टू कीप उंजियो
पहला ही अगर तूने इंप्रेशन में से डाल दिया ना,
पर कम लोग है ना,
तो क्या हुआ?
बट मेन लोग
मेन फैमिली तो उस दिन है.
गाइस चलो सो जाते हैं यार, अभी बस हो गया. It's 1 o'clock यार ऑलमोस्ट.
12:36 नॉट गुड.
उसका देख क्या था.
डिनर भी बाकी है अपना.
हाँ, डिनर और ब्रेकफास्ट बाकी है तो 45 मिनट वो बैठेंगे. तो 11 बजे 45 बैठेंगे. मतलब उसके लिए तुषार. ये ब्राइड थोड़ी टैंट्रम कर रही है कि आज के लिए मेरा हो गया.
टैंट्रम नहीं कर रही, दिस इज बुढ़े लोगों का ये. मैं अभी थक चुकी हूँ.
How do you feel after the very productive recce?
This is how I feel. मेरे एक साइड के सर में चल रहा है रूमिंग, एक साइड के सर में चल रहा है कॉस्टिंग, पीछे वाले सर में चल रहा है फूड. मेरे को सुसु जाना है, मेरे को स्किन केयर करना है, मेरे को सोना है, सुबह उठ के ब्रेकफास्ट भी टेस्ट करना है, होटल के मैनेजमेंट के साथ भी बैठना है,
एंड फिर से टेस्ट करना है.
I just thought being a bride means I just have to look pretty.
That you do.
For all the functions.
That you always
did not
do.
know the behind the scenes. That's why hire Shukti thi.
Wow, very nice integration.
Self-plugging.
Skincare routine. Shift your skincare routine, guys.
They know my skincare routine. चल यार सोने जाना है, बस हो गया.
ऐसे अच्छा इतना स्माइल करती है.
God gift.
एकदम.
I don't know why the lighting is off, but guys, we are checking out of the property.
Yes.
And the next time when we come here,
It's gonna be our wedding. And we're gonna get married here. And then again, like we've decided कि we'll keep on coming here maybe because we like the property.
Yeah,
and
we'll come
obviously
back
after the
with
wedding.
Evie and like yeah. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it and सीधा अब मिलेंगे wedding vlogs में. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy and keep us in your prayers.
Yes, please.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.